Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
I'm proud of my people, another day, day 7 down, Vlogmas day 7. So you know, I make some breakfast in the morning, me and Deezer. She just come down over the top there, that means she just come out of bed. So I go for some fried plantain and some turkey bacon. You know, I fry one egg or two. Yeah, I mean, she alone there, so we have everything. Day 7, I say. Everything nice, man. We give thanks for life. So I can't do everything. We can't pay this, we have to pay attention to something because we're not thinking about fire. And it's an extra. I go and go still. But we're good like that. Soon come.
Hey everyone, as you would have just seen, Outlaw is downstairs making breakfast. I literally like just not too long got out of the bed and went downstairs. It's like I think about 9:30 right now, which is quite late actually. I'm not stay in the bed kind of person. But you know, some days when you just wake up and you're just like, oh, I just can't be bothered today. Like that's me right now. Yeah. Not for any particular reason. Nobody has done anything to me. I'm not feeling no type of way about anything, but I'm just like, oh, I don't know. I feel like I could just, I don't know, stay in bed all day. I'm on one of those feelings today. You know, it's not every morning you get up and you feel like, yay, or, you know, high energy, or, you know. And I think, yeah, I'm just like, oh, whatever this morning. Honestly, that's how I'm feeling. So to be completely honest, guys, I'm just feeling like, oh. I don't even know why, but I don't know, maybe I just need to snap out of it and be intentional about how I'm going to feel for the rest of the day. I don't want to feel like this for the rest of the day, but I just woke up like, oh, I just feel like not doing anything. I think that's it. I just woke up and felt like I just don't want to do anything today. I just feel like doing nothing. And I guess that's okay sometimes to feel like that, isn't it? I just don't want to do anything. Like, I just don't want to do anything. And yeah. And I'm going to be totally honest, that even means picking up the camera this morning. And I think because this whole Vlogmas thing, vlogging every day, will catch you off guard. Because there are some days you just feel like I don't want to do it. Not because I'm not enjoying it, but just because I'm tired, or I just feel like I just want to just lay in bed all day. But I'm going to stick to it because I made that commitment to stick to it. Outlaw in the back trying to come in. I'm going to do it because I made the commitment to do it, so I'm going to stick to it. But also I think it just shows that I have feelings like everybody else, right? And some days are going to be like that. Not every day it's going to be, hi guys, welcome back. No, today it's a kind of hi guys kind of day. Outlaw's just come in. It's more kind of like a hi guys kind of day more than a hi guys kind of day. Yeah, so I don't know, maybe later when I look back on I might be a little bit more full of energy, but right now my energy level is down here. Just being real with you guys, you know how we keep it 100. So guys, we don't really have much plans for today. Not really. Outside's a little bit windy, a little bit bleaky, so I'm not sure. Just probably gonna go to the supermarket, pick up some stuff. Yeah.
You want more tea or you want juice?
Juice please. Sorting out my breakfast. Yeah, so I think today we really don't have any plans today. Whatever goes goes. Probably just go to the supermarket, pick up some stuff. Yeah, that's it really guys. But yeah, it is what it is. But I hope you're having a great day guys, and I'll tune in with you a little bit later. So guys, I left the house. We left the house. Outlaw said come, let's go. Good. We took a drive up to Discovery Bay. Good. To go and chill. I'm going to show you where we are, alright? But good. Yeah, it's a nice little spot in Discovery Bay to just take in nature, peaceful, tranquil.
You know, yeah. Take a chill pill.
So we're in Dairy. It's really nice
Discovery Bay Dairy, yeah. Discovery
Bay Dairy. Beautiful houses around here. Really quiet, next to the sea. Outlaw used to live around there, didn't you?
Yeah.
As a young teenager?
Yeah, but
spent a few years around here.
Yeah, but we lived around here from about 14-year-old.
Yeah, about 14.
Yeah, but no, from about 13-year-old until Mary's about 16.
You lived around here?
Yeah.
With your
On
aunt?
the same street.
Yeah, in the same street. We just
Yeah.
passed the old house, didn't we?
Yeah, man.
So it's really nice around here, but we never come for the houses.
No.
It's what we come for, guys. Look.
So where we're going right now, we have to go over there and catch fish during them time there.
Yeah.
And beyond. Yeah.
So this little nice little secret escape.
Yes. The catch fish at the place.
And we always say, you know, that we want to one day come down and... Oh my God. When you're heading dogs, people.
Yeah. Security tag.
Look. Enjoy the ocean view. Do some fishing. So yeah, as a teenager, I used to come and do fishing down here.
Yeah.
That's just a little chill out spot, people. Right here. So we always say one day we want to come do some fishing, innit?
Yeah.
But don't go so close. Do not go so close. Yeah, I understand, but you're not picking anymore. You're a big man, so the balance and agility that you used to have, you're not having it. So then you shouldn't go so close. Alright. Yeah, so that's we featured what's it called again? Ocean's Ridge. Ocean's Ridge, yeah. See Ocean's Ridge being built over there. We featured it on our channel. And that's it over there. But look at this. Just a chill out spot. But one day we're gonna do some fishing in it.
People do some fishing, you should throw me line, right? That's all.
Yeah.
Right, that's all. You should throw me line. And the bigger man, I chose one bigger line than me instead. Yeah. The man that catch fish, right? That's how we weigh 12 pounds, 20 pounds.
Yeah.
Snapper. Dark tea snapper, man, get right, that's how.
Yeah.
He said that to my 2 eyes.
Yeah.
Right, that's all. I tell you that.
So, as he goes close to the edge, I must stay on this side. I'm cautious like that. But look, we can here. We usually go around there, don't we?
That's fine.
Yeah, sometimes we drive around that side and go chill over there, that side over there.
That point there.
That point there. Yeah, right at that point there.
Yes.
Yeah, we featured it on our channel a very long time. When we first started, guys, it's windy and you know, so sorry about the wind, the noise you can hear. I know it's going to be affected a bit, but
they are nice chase, but yeah.
Yeah. Come down here with your little music, a few drinks, boombox. But guys, this is it. Yeah, I think this is the little pick-me-up that I needed from this morning. Nice cool breeze. Beautiful cool breeze right here. Lovely cool breeze. These simple things do change your mood. Yeah, sometimes it just takes the simple things. It didn't cost us anything to come here. We just drove down. You know, a little gas in the car maybe if you need it, but simple drive down here and it's free. This is free. Doesn't cost anything. And look, you know what I mean? Nature Day. Alright guys, so we've just reached the other side. Or coming up to the other side. And from here it don't look like much, does it? It just looks like a little narrow lane or a little narrow road. But as you get to the end, you see the beauty.
That's where everything is.
I remember the first time you took me around here. I was like, where are we going? What's this? And then when we reached the end, I see the sea. I'm like, oh my gosh.
Yes, man.
So, like I said, we did feature it on the channel quite a long time ago. Maybe March, April. That was the last time we came around here, isn't it? We haven't been around here since.
No.
But we used to just come sometime on a Sunday, let's take a drive and come around and chill out.
Man. Atmosphere is good.
Yeah.
Sea breeze are blue. Alright, it's over there.
Right here.
And you know the things that the fan anyway at all. So,
It's got pushed down, isn't it? Never used to be this
push up. Say anyway at all go, put back your face. When you reach there then put back your face where you're coming from.
Oh, do they?
Just got joke.
So here we are. So this is the other side. We walk down. How magnificent. Oh, just natural beauty. Natural beauty. The only thing is I have to contend with these rocks though. That's why I have to wear sneakers, to wear trainers.
Yeah.
Because I don't know how he does it in slippers. Oh, I need something solid on my foot.
You have to tell us a place.
Woo!
How we know these things go?
So that's, we came from around the corner, didn't we? Not quite
The point there.
Oh, that's the point that we showed, yeah.
The point over there.
Yes.
I was showing that a while ago. Go around, still around the side there. Walk around there.
No?
Get in.
Right. Walk around there. I'm staying right here.
Huh?
I'm staying right here.
Right.
Don't look any further. Sometimes you can't. Watch him, right there. Watch him. Watch him, people, watch him. You think I'm going down that slow? What's the man? Man breeze, blow your way, you know.
You feel like that light? Dash in. Some come up there. Guys are nice.
Come down in there now.
Easy forward, man.
My turn.
Come.
No.
Walk where you come up back.
No way.
Easy walk.
No, thank you. I'm quite happy where I am. Yes, so here we are. I can't even turn good. Like I'm
Turn.
Hold my hands. Hold my hands. People, I'm not taking no chance.
What chance?
Just any chance. Just get any chance. Just there.
Yeah, my people. Just like that. Prayers and prayers. Give thanks for life. That I say.
We didn't get to stay long because guys, look at the clouds.
Yes.
Look at the sky.
Stay too long right now.
Yeah, just a quick pass.
Look over the top there.
Look there.
Like a snowfall up there. White.
That'd be a first in Jamaica, wouldn't it?
Of course. I'm
So-
the first in the beach.
Oh yeah, you've never seen snow before, have you?
Never.
Never seen snow?
Never seen snow.
Alright, we have to make that happen. We have to make that happen.
I'm not sure, but that's what's going on now. I'm not sure, but I think it'll happen. Man, as my people, I can't tell the rain just falling a while ago. Now, if you look at just come down a while ago, I have
Yep.
in and out. Because if you look out there, you can see the whiteness rise the same way. But no problem, everything goes the same way. Remember, you know, if you like, you know, share and subscribe. A piece of ads there, need a piece of that something there to start. Work with me, come here, work with you, you know. That me say.
And we'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 8.
Yeah. And it.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.